Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sonam and today I will unbox and review the May Skincare Edition by Glow Getter box. It is seriously one of the best skincare boxes curated so far because it contains all the basic skincare essentials for both day and nighttime routine. The total worth of the contents is above 3000 rupees, but the box is priced at just rupees 499 plus shipping. So without any further delay, let's get started. Please click the red subscribe button and the tiny little bell button right next to it so that you don't miss any of my videos. So this is how the package has reached me. Inside we have this brown cardboard box that has the logo of Glow Getter, and it's a simple cardboard box but it is a sturdy one and it has reached me in perfect condition. Once we open, we have a card like this and all the products. So let's dig into it. So when it comes to skincare, the most basic thing is CTM. So we have all the CTM products in this box. Starting with the cleanser, we have a face wash here from Magic Dust. It is organic, fresh and handmade. This is the activated bamboo charcoal variant for all skin types. It says pimple free, glowing complexion. Net volume is 125 ml, a full size product. And this is how it looks. It is blackish in color because it has charcoal in it. Here are the claims of the product and the directions for use. It says it gives you a refreshing, clear, soft and supple skin. Cost of this product is 1100 rupees, which is more than double the price tag of the box. Expiry is in 9/2018. Manufactured very freshly in 4/2018. Well, I have used Magic Dust face washes before and they are good. I cannot say if the pricing is justified, but since you're getting it inside this box, which is very affordable, it is definitely good to receive this product inside a box. And I love charcoal based products, you know that. They really clean all the dirt from inside your pores, so I am quite happy. Then after the cleanser, the second step is toner, and here we have a hydrating facial toner by the brand Fuchsia. It is natural, handmade and in the variant Lavender Love. It's a 50 ml product, a full size, worth 250 rupees, manufactured in September 2017. And here are the list of ingredients. It has lavender water, chamomile flower water, veg glycerin, aloe vera fruit derived glycolic acid, natural vitamin E, wheat germ extract and potassium sorbate. We know Fuchsia is a nice paraben free, sulfate free and all those things organic brand, and I have used this particular product. It has a very nice fragrance and it is a good toner. It is a bit hydrating as it says in its name itself. Even if you use some harsh face wash, this immediately makes your face more supple. So definitely a good product to receive. The packaging is also good. You have a spray nozzle so you can attach it to the bottle and use it conveniently. Then after the cleanser and toner, we need a moisturizer for day and a night cream. So for daytime, we have got two options. The first one here is by the brand Glamorous You. This is the skin lightening cream with kojic acid, dipalmitate and arbutin. It's a 100 gram full size tube and this is a paraben free product. I have used a Glamisha face wash before and it was good. And this skin lightening cream has good reviews, so I am definitely looking forward to trying this. I do not believe in skin lightening, but during the summertime I get tanned a lot. I have sensitive skin, so having something that gets rid of the tan and keeps my skin even toned is definitely a good option. So this product is again quite expensive. It's 975 rupees. Used before is 10/2018 and manufactured in 5/2017. Here are all the directions for use and the ingredients mentioned. This is not completely organic, but it is a paraben free product. So yes, this is a good day cream, but they have also sent another small sample size from Fuchsia, which is the lavender and calendula hydrating face gel. In the ingredients, it has aqua, aloe vera, calendula flower extract, lavender oil, rosemary oil, arnica oil and vitamin E. This also you can use as a day moisturizer or day cream, a gel based one. So this is again very nice for summers. So if you're not tanned, if you're staying home, you can use this as your day moisturizer. It's a 15 gram product of 75 rupees. So this is also there. So these are the CTM products for your daytime routine. And then you have a proper night cream, so you can use the same face wash and toner and use this night cream in your night skincare routine. This is by Fuchsia again, and it is the Urban Jasmine Anti-Aging Night Cream. Ingredients have jasmine oil, olive oil, sweet almond oil, coconut butter, aloe vera, vitamin E and Biostine HP. It is a 50-gram full-size tub and the cost of this is 675 rupees, manufactured in March 2018 and best before 24 months from there. This product is actually improvised. The earlier version, which came in a glass jar, was a bit thicker and appropriate for winters, but this new packaging one is very lightweight, so it is appropriate for summertime too. It is not too oily as such, but of course you need a bit of heavy moisturization during night time. So this is perfect for that, and even though it says anti-aging, I believe this can be used by anybody who is above 30 or around 30 also, because nowadays we live in cities with lots of pollution and we start getting wrinkles and all even after 25 years of age. So this is definitely something you can start using to prevent your skin from aging so soon. So this is a good cream actually. I like it, and if you want you can gift it to your mom or something, because Mother's Day is coming up, so this box would be really good to gift to your mother as well. Then we have got 2 sachets of these coffee by Teddy Roosevelt. This is a instant coffee of 1 serving each, and this brand is really a nice coffee brand. I have used some of their products before and they're really nice. These are just 2 samples. The pricing is not mentioned, so we can consider this as a complimentary product. Now apart from all that, we have some discount codes here. It says when you want to shop, don't find an excuse, we give you reasons, that is discount codes. For Glamisha, we have a 35% off code, which is amazing, but it is valid only till 30th of May. So this is the coupon code Glamisha35. And for Fuchsia also we have a 20% off code, which is also good, and it's valid till a long time, 30th of September, and the code is Glow Getter. So if you're buying any products from these brands, you can definitely use these codes. And here is the product info card. It says love yourself because no one else will be doing it for you. The May 2018 edition has Magic Dust Organic Activated Bamboo Charcoal Face Wash worth 1100 rupees, Glamisha Skin Lightening Cream worth 975 rupees, Fuchsia Arabian Jasmine Anti-Aging Night Cream worth 675 rupees, Fuchsia Hydrating Toner in the Lavender variant worth 250 rupees, Teddy Roosevelt Luxury Instant Coffee 2 servings worth 20 rupees, and I believe this is a free gift, the hydrating gel. So here are all the contact details for the Glow Getter box. I'll mention all these in the description box too. So that was all in the May Skincare edition of the Glow Getter box. The total worth comes to around 3100 rupees, and the price tag, as I told, is just 499 plus shipping. So no doubts it is an amazing box savings wise. You save a lot. But what I like the most about this box is the curation, the selection of the most essential and most basic skincare products which everyone should use all year around. All these products are for all skin types, so this box is literally required by everyone out there. I have told earlier also that I love receiving CTM products, at least 1 or 2 of them, since that's what we need the most and that's what gets over soon. Getting all 3 of them for both morning and nighttime skincare routine is just the best. And the price tag it is offered at is just irresistible. I will definitely recommend everyone to get your hands on this skincare edition by Glow Getter box. It's the best affordable skincare box I've ever got. If you liked it too and are interested in ordering this box, then all details are mentioned in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. And if you haven't already, then please check out the giveaway link in the description box. It has 2 very simple rules, so please do participate too. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, then please don't forget to give this video a like and some love in the comment section below. And if you haven't already, then please do subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate it. So that's all for today. I'll see you again next time. Till then, take care. Bye.